You hanging out in the living room? Yeah, you hanging out in the living room, staring out the window? Are you? You see anything good? It's kind of dark. I don't think you're going to see anything now, buddy. God bless you. God bless you. Oh, you like how he feels? You're getting kind of antsy. You're getting kind of antsy. Do you like your bank? Because that's Mommy's answer all the time is, do you like your bank? Buddy, come on. Do you want to sing the Do Your Ears Hang Low song? Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble too? Okay, Mommy won't sing. We don't like Mommy singing. I don't like Mommy singing either. Daddy's got to get new batteries on the way home from work because your swing's starting to just conk out. Yeah, Mommy's going to make dinner, so this better be entertaining. You better be entertained by this for a little bit, okay? Please? You're so darn cute. I love you. I love you so much. Yeah, I love you.